Now here you see this is our pipe. So move this pipe little bit because this is wall. So then draw pipe toward this direction, and here we can move this pipe toward this. After that, now here you see this is over, this one is over air handling unit. So we create connections of this air handling unit. So now click on this one section. So here you see this is our air handling unit. So first of all you can set the elevation level of air handling unit, so it's 1 foot above from the ground. After that you can draw outlet. So here you see we have two connectors here. One is connector 4, this is for chilled water, and this connector 5 is for hot water. So we select this connector 4 for chilled water and draw pipe here. So now here you see this is our pipe. So now we can link these two pipe. Like this. Little bit extend this pipe and connect with this one. Now here you see the GPM for this pipe is the flow rate within this pipe is about, so here you can check the GPM flow rate of the pipe. So flow is 160 GPM. Here you see this is mechanical flow 160 GPM. So if 160 GPM flow through 4-inch pipe or 3.5-inch pipe, okay, 160 GPM. So fluid velocity is 4.62 and head loss is 2.138. So we can select this 3.5-inch pipe. So from here you can select this 3.5 inches pipe, and now we place this here. So now in next step, here you see this is our pipe. Now we can place here pump, and this pump can throw water toward this chiller. So for that we can create connections.